Ever wondered how to prepare healthy meals in the woods? I'm sure you found yourself in the midst of nature's splendor, the rustling leaves whispering tales of tranquility, the earthy aroma of the forest filling your senses, and your stomach giving you a friendly nudge, reminding you that it's time to eat. Well, friends, the woods are not just a playground for the adventurous spirit, but also a kitchen for the culinary explorer. It's a place where the art of outdoor cooking unfolds, creating a symphony of flavors enhanced by the fresh air and the raw, untouched beauty of nature. And today, we're going to delve into this marvelous world of al fresco dining, setting the stage for a day of healthy meals in the woods. Now I know what you're thinking, healthy meals in the woods? It may sound like a challenge, but I assure you, with the right ingredients and a trusty wood stove, it's a feast waiting to happen. Our plan for today is simple yet wholesome. We're going to prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all cooked on our humble wood stove. Each meal, carefully curated, not only to fuel your body, but also to satisfy your taste buds. For breakfast, we'll start the day with a nutritious kick, firing up the stove as the dawn breaks, the morning dew still fresh on the leaves. Lunch will be a hearty midday meal, prepared as the sun shines high in the clear blue sky. And dinner is where the magic truly happens. Under the twinkling stars with the night sounds of the woods as our background melody, we'll whip up a meal that's wholesome and hearty, ending the day on a delicious note. But remember, the woods are not just our kitchen for the day, they are our home. So as we cook, we also respect the environment, leaving it as beautiful and pristine as we found it. So, are you ready to embrace the joy of outdoor cooking and the charm of a healthy day in the woods? Stay tuned to learn how to kick off your day with a nutritious breakfast cooked over an open fire. Picture this, the sun is rising and you're starting your day with a delicious and healthy breakfast. Today, we're making a hearty oatmeal packed with mixed berries and nuts right here in the woods. Let's start with our main ingredient, oats. Oats are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They also contain a powerful soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which can help regulate your blood sugar, reduce bad cholesterol, and boost feelings of fullness. Next, we have mixed berries, a sweet and colorful addition to our meal. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. They're all here. These berries are high in fiber and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. They help reduce inflammation, boost heart health, and provide a nice touch of natural sweetness to our breakfast. Now we're adding in some nuts, almonds, walnuts, or even a handful of cashews, take your pick. These little powerhouses bring a crunch to our oatmeal while providing healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They also add a dose of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids and can help lower the risk of heart disease. Here's how we put it all together. We start by boiling water over our wood stove. Once it's hot enough, we add in our oats, stirring occasionally until they've softened. Then we toss in our mixed berries, letting them simmer until they release their sweet juices. Lastly, we sprinkle in our chosen nuts, stirring them into the mix for an added crunch. And there you have it. A bowl of warm, hearty oatmeal, bursting with flavor and nutrients, ready to be enjoyed as the sun rises over the trees. Each ingredient not only adds to the taste but also contributes to a heart-healthy breakfast that fuels you for the day's adventures. Voila! That's how you prepare a heart-healthy breakfast in the woods. Let's move on to lunch. As the sun reaches its peak, it's time to refuel with a nutritious lunch. Today we're stirring up a hearty vegetable and lentil soup. Now you might be wondering, why lentils? Well, lentils are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and iron, making them an essential part of any outdoor enthusiast's diet. They're especially great for those long hikes when you need that extra energy boost. Now let's talk veggies. We've got an array of rainbow-colored vegetables here: carrots for a dose of beta-carotene, bell peppers for that vitamin C, and zucchini for a splash of potassium. Don't forget the onions and garlic. They're not just for flavor, they're packed with antioxidants too. To start, we'll sauté the onions and garlic over the wood stove until they become translucent. The sizzle of onions and garlic on the pan, that's the sound of flavor building. Once they're ready, we'll toss in the rest of the vegetables. A melody of colors dancing in the pan, filling the woods with an aroma that's simply irresistible. Next, we'll add the lentils. Now, lentils don't need soaking like other legumes, which is a real time saver when you're out in the wilderness. We'll stir them into the mixture and let everything simmer together. The lentils, vegetables, and spices melding into a delightful symphony of flavors. As the soup bubbles away on the wood stove, let's talk about cooking over a fire. It's not just about the heat, it's about controlling it. A good campfire cook knows when to stoke the fire for a roaring flame and when to let it die down to a gentle ember. It's a dance. really, a dance with nature. And there you have it, a warm, comforting, and healthy lunch. But don't fill up too much, dinner is still to come. As the day ends, nothing beats a hearty dinner under the stars. Imagine the aroma of freshly grilled fish wafting through the cool evening air, complemented with a side of roasted vegetables. The perfect way to wrap up an adventurous day in the woods. First things first, let's talk about the star of our dinner, the fish. When it comes to outdoor cooking, go for a fish that's sturdy and rich in flavor. Salmon, for instance, is a great choice. It's not only delicious but also packed with essential omega-3 fatty acids, which are a boon for your heart and brain health. Now, onto the grilling. You'll want to ensure your fish is well seasoned. A simple combination of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon can go a long way. Lay your seasoned fish on a grill rack and place it over the wood stove. The trick to perfectly grilled fish is to let it cook undisturbed. Give it about 10 minutes on each side and voila, you're in for a treat. While the fish is grilling, let's get those vegetables roasting. A medley of bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes lightly tossed in olive oil, salt, and pepper. Make for a vibrant and nutritious side. Spread them out on a grill pan and set it on the stove. The vegetables will take about 15 minutes to soften, and the high heat will caramelize their natural sugars, bringing out a delightful sweetness. And there you have it, a meal that's both hearty and healthy. The succulent, smoky flavor of the grilled fish paired with the sweet, slightly charred vegetables is a taste sensation that's hard to beat. And that's how you prepare a protein-packed dinner in the woods. But wait, there's more. A day of healthy meals in the woods wouldn't be complete without a recap. As the sun dips below the horizon and the forest hushes in preparation for a night under the stars, let's reflect on our culinary journey. We embarked on a day of nourishment and nature, preparing 3 wholesome meals over a simple wood stove, each bursting with flavor and health benefits. Our day began with a breakfast that set the tone for our woodland adventure. We savored a bowl of hot oatmeal, rich in fiber and protein, cooked gently on our wood stove. We added a handful of fresh berries, packed with antioxidants, and a drizzle of raw honey for a touch of natural sweetness. As noon approached, we prepared lunch by a crackling campfire. Our menu featured a hearty lentil soup loaded with plant-based protein and essential nutrients. We paired this with a rustic whole grain bread, toasted over the open flames, its crust crackling with each bite. Under a sky sprinkled with stars, we rounded off our day with a dinner that celebrated the harmony of health and heartiness. A lean grilled fish, its omega-3 fatty acids promoting heart health, accompanied by a vibrant medley of grilled vegetables, their colors as diverse as the forest around us, providing an array of vitamins and minerals. But the day was about more than just the food. It was about the joy of cooking in the great outdoors, the satisfaction of preparing our meals from scratch, the pleasure of eating surrounded by nature. It was about the rustle of the leaves, the whisper of the wind, the crackle of the fire. It was about connecting with the world around us, appreciating the simple things, and taking a moment to just breathe. And that's how you prepare a day's worth of healthy meals in the woods. It's not just about the food, but the experience of connecting with nature. Until next time, happy cooking.